keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things. Because we are curious and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. The most beautiful things are not associated with money. They are the memories and moments. If you don't celebrate those, they can pass you by. A very warm greetings, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, invited guests, and all the fellow members of the Spearhead Media Group. On this beautiful day, we all have gathered here to celebrate Spearhead Media's proud achievement of being conferred with the prestigious All India Chanakya Award by the Public Relations Council of India, and also on the occasion of our decennial year of service to the society and media industry. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you are not going to stay where you are. Spearhead Media Private Limited and Spearhead Publications Private Limited is the story of the seed. A seed that was planted in the fertile soil in our own Mangaluru, Karnataka, and was nurtured continuously for over 9 years by all its stakeholders. It's now in its early bloom. This is the 10th year of its flagship, which started its journey as a Karnataka news portal in May 2012. 10 years is a very long period in the media industry. As there's a saying, teamwork makes the dream work. Because of the teamwork of all its stakeholders, we have successfully completed a good decade in the media and hope to continue the upswing in the years to come. Having said that, on this auspicious occasion, we have amongst us Mr. Leo Rodriguez, President, Konkani Cultural Organization, Abu Dhabi, and Managing Director, Al Mazroi and Clevy Automobiles, Abu Dhabi. Mrs. Gayatri R., General Manager and Zonal Head, Bank of Baroda, Mangaluru Branch. CA Valerian Dalmaida, Mentor and Advisor, Spearhead Media Group, and all the dignitaries and invited guests. I would like to recognize the presence of all the guests who have joined us today. Welcome you all. Happiness lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of creative efforts. It's now time to enjoy those happy moments. Here we present you the glimpse of all the efforts and teamwork during these 10 years, along with the video of receiving All India Chanakya Award.
Karnataka's coastal capital, Mangaluru, is where the legacy of Kannada journalism began centuries ago. In the same city, a journalistic frontrunner, Spearhead Media Private Limited, was born in 2013 with a motto of not-for-profit and maximum employability. The group is a crowd-funded initiative and the parent company of our state's most preferred news website, newskarnataka.com. Today, Spearhead Media, known as People's Corporate, including 45+ shareholders, 100+ contributors, advertising partners, individual benefactors, and internal team of young, dynamic journalists, also has a distinction of renewing itself periodically. The evolutionary process that established Spearhead Media has also established the company's flagship media subsidiaries, newskarnataka.com, an English news portal, newskannada.com, a Kannada news portal, Karnataka Today, a monthly all-color English feature magazine, NK Plus, a bilingual e-magazine for the youth of the state, NKTV, a YouTube platform for infotainment shows, NK Live to cover live events, NK Learn, an e-learning platform, Verdevice, a design and digital media hub, Village TV, a social initiative for rural youth, and an emerging Spearhead Academy, a center for media studies with infinite possibilities. The editorial independence and integrity of newskarnataka.com and Spearhead's all media subsidiaries is unparalleled in the industry since 9 amazing years. NewsKarnataka.com has had one statement of purpose: truth endures. It is News Karnataka team's commitment to their obligations that has helped the brand endure and grow over time.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep it going. Media House of the Year, Spearhead Media Private Limited, Mangalore. Media House of the Year, Spearhead Media Private Limited, Mangalore. Media House of the Year, Spearhead Media Private Limited, Mangalore.
Yes, it's a great achievement. I now kindly request our special guest to kindly occupy the seats on the dais. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I now request Mr. Brian Fernandez to kindly spray the sweet aroma of happiness through the words of welcome and prefatory remarks. Over to you, sir.
I don't think I need to spread the aroma. I think the room is smelling quite nice with all of you here. Mrs. Gayatri, Mr. Leo Rodriguez, and CA Valerian Dalmaida. My fellow director and probably the architect of this thank you meet, Kenute Pinto, who is also the member of the Konkani Sahitya Academy and president of the Rotary Club, Mangalore City. Srinivas Pechathaya, who is the editor of the Spearhead Group. And of course, my fellow team members and esteemed guests. Some of you are our advertisers, some of you are our patrons, and all of you, my friends. If you're not my friend today, you will be tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Now, this is a very proud achievement for all of us. Not only for me as a director, but also for the entire team and for all of you here. Receiving the prestigious Media House of the Year 2021 from the hands of the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I was not there at the function, as you saw on the video. I could not make it due to medical reasons. But definitely, I enjoyed seeing my colleagues receive the award. And one of the reasons why I enjoyed it so much was because prior to this award being given to us, on some occasions in the past, this is the 15th convocation, if I'm not mistaken, it has been given to Rajasthan Patrika, which is a very famous North Indian newspaper and media house, and also the Times Group, which I think all of you recognize. Now, to be at that level, we are a media house that started in a Tier 2 city. It's certainly a privilege and a pleasure to receive it, and all of us can celebrate it. I just want to ask a question to any one of you who could answer. Have you heard of Sumit Antil? Has anybody heard of Sumit Antil? Has anybody heard of Neeraj Chopra? Yes? Yes, he won the javelin throw at the Olympics. But Sumit Antil won the javelin at the Paralympics. And none of you remember it. And I also didn't, to be very honest, until I researched it. Now, why do we remember Neeraj Chopra and not Sumit Antil? There's a lot of struggle behind it. There's a lot of struggle behind his win. But it's not hyped as much. It's not as sensational. And for News Karnataka to achieve this award, there are two lessons for us. One is, you need to be sensitive in journalism, not sensational. You need to enter the hearts of the people, not the minds. That's what we try to do. The second, of course, there's always a struggle when you're a media house from a Tier 2 city, trying to establish yourself. So that struggle has culminated in this award. It's very special. Special for us and special for all of you. Now, having come into this room at our invitation, it's my pleasure, my privilege, and my duty even to welcome each one of you personally. I tried to do some of that at the back there, but then I was called to the front. So I would like to say this specially to each one of you, take it personally, that please feel welcome. This is as good as being our home, at least for the next hour or so. And we'll also entertain you to lunch at our home, so don't worry about it. But especially today to our chief guest, Mrs. Gayatri. She's the general manager and zonal head of the Mangalore zone of Bank of Baroda, which has now expanded its horizons with the merger and acquisition, I think. Yes, I think probably she'll say more about it later. And of course, Mr. Leo Rodriguez. He is the MD of the Al Marzui and Clevy Automobiles in Abu Dhabi, and also the president of the KCO, the Konkani Cultural Organization, correct? Yeah, and our own mentor and advisor, CA Valerian Dalmaida, who guides us in every step of our journey. Now we have completed 9 years, and we are stepping into the 10th. This is our decennial year, and we hope to maybe take another 10 years to get the status of maybe the Times Group. Hopefully we'll reach there, and we'll do our best to be there. But we also need all of your support. I recognize the colleagues of Mrs. Gayatri. I have the names with me, but I think the phone has gone up, so please don't mistake me. But we have the colleagues, regional managers and branch managers from Bank of Baroda also with us. Welcome to you all especially. A very important thing that we wanted to do was, while thanking Mrs. Gayatri and Mr. Leo Rodriguez for coming here and being with us today, we would also like to give them a token of our appreciation. And this normally is done with flowers, but today we would like to do it with a book. It's a book by Sudha Murthy. It's called 3000 Stitches. If you get hold of it, please do read it, but for them, we will give them as a gift and a token of our appreciation. Can I ask Mr. Valerian, CA Valerian, to hand over the book to Mrs. Gayatri? And my fellow director, Kenute, can you please come and hand over a similar book to Mr. Leo Rodriguez? Thank you very much, both of you, and do take your seats. I believe it's a book about anecdotes from her life, and it's very interesting.
Thank you, sir. A warm welcome to you too to the occasion. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards the common goal. And today, it is a time to celebrate this teamwork by cutting the cake and cherish this blissful moment. I request all the team to kindly come forward and join this happy moment with us. A person with a humble beginning, with a sheer hard work, determination, and discipline is an achiever. We have one such successful personality with us today. He is the founder and managing director of Al Mazrui and Clevy Automobile Services LLC Abu Dhabi, which is well known globally for the quality automobile services. He is also the founder of Konkani Cultural Organization Abu Dhabi and current president of KCO, an organization which is internationally acclaimed for the support of Konkani language and culture, education through scholarships, and health through medical aid. A philanthropist, shareholder, and a supporter of Spearhead Media, the Rachana Award winner, none other than Mr. Leo Rodriguez. It's with absolute pleasure I request you to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
On the days, Madam Gayatri, CA Valerian Almeida, the team of Spearhead Media and directors, and ladies and gentlemen, Rather, 1 week ago, a big day was in News Karnataka's life, I can say. And I congratulate Spirit Media Limited and dynamic team for their proud achievements of being recognized as the Media House of the year 2021 and they being conferred with Chanakya Award. The Public Relations Council of India at Goa just last week and for their warm invitation to join this celebration. This achievement is a proud moment for all stakeholders, readers, well-wishers, including me. Incidentally, it is also their decennial year of the service of society and media, which is happy coincidence. I have been associated with this wonderful media house, which prides itself on its integrity, impartiality, and honesty since inception in 2012 and 13. And today it is a happy moment for me to celebrate this achievement with many of you, of this and stakeholders and well-wishers. And I don't often get this chance to share space with all of you because of my own commitments and therefore this moment is special for me as well. I have seen Spearhead Media evolve over time. There has been a diversification of products, innovation in the way they disseminate information and technologies pose in keeping up with the advancement of technology that drive an internet, including social media. I am genuinely happy to say that the team is very open for constructive feedback from any one of, which is what makes them different. Today, their media products are very popular, brand names among Kannadigas all over the world. This is because through their websites, magazines, and their recently introduced but very popular web channel, they have connected with more than 60 plus Karnataka organizations across the world, highlighting their success, issues and concerns to the government of the state and connecting Kannadigas to their home state. I am also one of them. They also provide a voice to the people through various programs like Subalterns, Namaste Teacher, and Amazing People, and involve themselves in the economic progress of the nation. The Village TV Trust, which aims to provide training, skill development, and entrepreneurial opportunities to rural youth in media industry. All of this they have done with the passion and the strong belief that this is their role in society. The world is changing and the times are changing, and I'm confident Spearhead Media will evolve and keep up with the times, given their innovation and passion to serve the people of Karnataka and the society at large. Once again, I congratulate entire team and especially their mentor and advisor, C.A. Valerian Dalmeda, the director, Canute and Brian, and the editor, Srinivas Pejataya, and their entire team, spread across the state. They are advertisers, readers, and viewers, and more for the role they playing in the noble venture. And I pray to the Almighty God once again to give the strength to the team to work harder and bring this Spearhead Media News Karnataka to the world level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Women are the real architects of the society. There is no limit to what we as a woman can accomplish. We have one such passionate and dedicated Wonder Woman with us today. She is a BCom graduate and she also completed her Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. She has worked in Bank of Baroda in various capacities in rural, urban and metro branches of various states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Telangana. She has headed the Coimbatore main branch as Assistant General Manager and also headed the Kerala region and Hyderabad region as Deputy General Manager. She has also served as Deputy Chief Executive of UAE and Oman Territory. Currently, she is serving as General Manager, Zonal Head, Bank of Baroda, Mangaluru Zone, which is having 7 regions and 385 branches spread over 23 districts of Karnataka. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present the beautiful lady who connects with heart, none other than Mrs. Gayatri R. May I request Madam to kindly address the gathering.
Respected Mr. Liu, Mr. Valerian, Mr. Fernandez, Mr. Pinto, the editorial board of this media house, and my dear colleagues and other participants. A very good afternoon to you all. Actually, I am honored and privileged to be amidst you this afternoon to celebrate the thank you meeting of the getting this prestigious Chanakya Award. And nothing is greater than motivating the people by recognizing the services and thanking them. And the Spearhead company is doing this today to its employees and who are all the contributors to this award. And again, I am honored to be amidst you for this function. Now you all know press is now it has become media because from the newspaper it emerged to the electronic medias like TV and radio, then it diversified now into digital. So now we call it as press media. So this is the fourth estate of the democracy and it is more mightier than the sword. Press is mightier than the sword, everyone knows, and you are the proud participants of the press. And the evaluation started from newspaper journey to the current digital journey. We all know the contribution of your industry. On those days, I remember Hindu is the best magazine in Tamil Nadu. And we all children, every South Indian, that means particularly Tamil Nadu households, without morning coffee and Hindu paper, the day didn't dawn to them. And we were all as a children being told that daily you have to write 10 words from this newspaper along with the dictionary. We have to understand what is the synonym for that and we have to write and present to our parents. Still I remember those things. From that now we came to the evaluation of the digital media. And how powerful you are, you very well know. So many things you do because the dissemination of information flows through you. And dissemination, see, and sir was telling, Paralympics we are not remembering, whereas Chopra we are remembering. Why? Because the publicity. Why? Because the dissemination of the information. Even we know the pre-poll, the data changes the actual voting at times. We know that. And even in America, what happens, both the contestants to have a debate publicly. That decides the fate of the winning. So that much powerful, so that we have all the responsibilities to disseminate the information in a correct, positive way. And Spearhead is doing it very sincerely, I feel. And being the fourth estate, we have all the freedom, but whereas we have also the responsibility to respect the individual the thought process also, because the press creates the thought process, it conditions the thought process, and it reaches all the segments of the people nowadays. By more than lightning, press is reaching nowadays. So this company has started by, I understand, by 4 young dynamic people, and their vision made the company in the last 10 years a mighty one, and today it has received the prestigious Chanakya Award. And so many people associated with this company in the society, so that it can bloom as a very good company, so it can make its presence in the Kannadigas worldwide, and it connects the Kannadigas not only in India, worldwide it connects the people. So we are happy to be here today. Actually, I understand the vision of this company is to be most exciting, trusted and preferred news website of Karnataka and Kannadigas around the world, and benchmark for other news websites. And the mission is to gather, refine, package and disseminate information to educate, enlighten, empower and enable positive change, and serve as a beacon of unification among Kannadigas worldwide. So I congratulate the company and the newskarnataka.com and other branches of new media of this company on this proud occasion, and wish them all the best in their mission vision. Thank you.
Now we have our well-wishers who have sent their blessings and love to Spearhead Media Group virtually all the way from different parts of the world.
ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾನು ಸರ್ವೋತ್ತಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಬುದಾಬಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತುಳು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿದ ಪದುಕೆ ಎನ್ನ ಬೊಕ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.com ಮಗಳ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಕಾರಿನ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂಚು ಉಂಡು ಪಂಡ್ರೆಂಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನುಂಡು. ಕಡಲಾದ ತುಳುವೆರ್ನ ಮಾತ ಜನಕುಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಪನ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಾಮಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೆನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸರ್ ವೆಲೆರಿನ್ ಸರ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡಲು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆರು. ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಕೊಂಕಣಿ, ತುಳು ಮಾತ ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ತಕ್ಕಡಿಡಿದು ಒಂದು ಕಡಲಾಯರಡು ನಡಪುನ ಮಾತ ಕಲೆಬಕ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರುಡು ಇಲ್ಲಡು ಮುಟ್ಟದಿನ ಮಾಮಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ದಿರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.com ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮೊಗಲಿಗೆ ಇಂಚಪ ಅಖಿಲ ಭಾರತ ಚಾಣಕ್ಯ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತೆಗಿನ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಡು ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭಡು ಅವತ್ತಂದೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಈ ಅವಧಿಡು ಅಗುಲು ಮಲ್ದಿನ ಈ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋದು ಎನ್ನ ಈ ರಡ್ಡು ಪಾತ್ರಗೂ ಮುಗಿತಲ ಚುಕ್ಕದೀಪೆ. ಜೈ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Hearty congratulations to Spearhead Media Private Limited and newskarnataka.com in particular for being honored with the prestigious PRCI Chanakya Media House of the Year Award. This is a wonderful recognition and reward during the momentous occasion of your decennial celebrations. Like Simon Manwaring said, like all technologies, social media is neutral, but is best to put to work is in the service of building a better world. newskarnataka.com has been doing a wonderful job. Despite being the media to spread the value of our culture and language and spreading positivity, you are always there for any social cause. You are always there for any social concern. My best wishes to your mentor and advisor, Mr. Valerian Dalmaida, and entire members of newskarnataka.com family to reach greater heights in the years to come. Thank you.
ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಛಾಪನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೇರ, ನಿಷ್ಠುರ ಹಾಗೂ ಸತ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಾದಂತಹ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇವತ್ತು 10ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಿರುವ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಚಾಣಕ್ಯ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೀಯ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇರ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದುಗರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I congratulate Spearhead Media and News Karnataka on being honored with the prestigious PRCI Chanakya Media House Award. A special note of thanks to the energetic team led by Mr. Valerian Delmeda, Brian and Canute, and all the staff who have worked tirelessly to make it happen. You are truly the voice of the voiceless. In this context, I would like to quote Henry Ford, the legendary founder of Ford Motors. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. I wish you all the best and more laurels in the days to come. Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations to Spearhead Media for getting the prestigious PRCI Chanakya Award for National and International Achievers as the Media House of the Year 2021. My association with News Karnataka is about 3 years old. And in these 3 years, I found that they spread the positive news. Firstly, I was associated for creating the organ donation awareness. And from 22nd March 2020, during the lockdown, through the media conference. And in the entire duration, I found that they always believe that the positive media is the right media and the right medium to create awareness and to give the correct and the truthful news to the public at large. I am sure that they will continue with the same zeal which they have. I wish every one of them, especially CA Valerian and his entire team, a great success in future, and hope that they will receive more and more awards, and they will serve the community, they serve the humanity, they will serve the nation, and they will serve globally like they are serving now. Thank you all the best to all of them. Thank you very much.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಲಂಡನ್ನಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರು. ನಾನು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಚಾಣಕ್ಯ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರಾಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Sorry, after seeing this video only, I thought I have to tell some more things. About my bank also I have to tell certain things. After the amalgamation with Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank, Bank of Baroda is now having 8,200 plus domestic branches. And you all know that we cater to the entire needs of the banking needs of the rural as well as the urban metro centers and semi-urban also. And what add to the might of Bank of Baroda is we are having 96 international branches, and truly we are India's international bank. And now I understand Spearhead Media is having a lot of NRI connects by seeing this video. So I request all the dignitaries to help our bank, so that when you help from the foreign, we can help this society here. Actually, I don't know, for the past 2 days I am meeting all NRIs only. Both sirs have come from Dubai, where I worked in 2020. And yesterday I went to this Panchakshari Cashews. There also the proprietor is from Dubai. He worked in Muscat for Rami Group, and now he shifted he resigned there and he started his own cashew nut industry unit. And yesterday I was with him, so we were discussing about Dubai, and now also I discussed with Valerian sir also about Dubai. So somehow the NRI Connect is getting close. So please help the bank to get connected with you all. Thank you all.
Success comes to those who believe in themselves and are prepared to win. To congratulate the team, here I call upon Dr. Raghavendra Holla, Chairman, Swastika National School, and the Chairperson of Public Relations Council of India, Mangaluru chapter, to kindly convey the best regards to the team. Over to you, sir.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪೇರೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸುವಾಗ ಆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ PRCಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಟಫ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಹೌಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ನವ್ರದ್ದು ಭಾರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕೇವಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕವರೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟಫ್ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಅದರೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಘಟಕದ ಮೂಲಕ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸುಮಾರು 14 ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ. ಅಂತಹ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅಂತಹ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೆನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಿಜಿತಾರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೇವಲ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮೂಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೊಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮೊದಲು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಏನು ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕವರೇಜನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ keep growing. Good luck.
Thank you, sir, for your warm wishes. I call upon Mr. Yatish Baikampadi, the tourism man of Mangalore, to kindly give away the best wishes.
Madam Gayatri, our chief mentor, Valerian dear Madam, and our guest here who spoke earlier. I'm really happy to be here as Mr. Hollas mentioned. I must say this particular media, I have been continuously associated with that. They are not just the media. They get involved in social service. I must mention, whenever we had this vaccination drive for NRIs, of course, Madam Gayatri supported such vaccination drives. Our Canute was there with us for the campaign. Not only that, whenever we have the unique campaign where we, from Red Cross, we go door to door to vaccinate the bedridden. Again, that vaccination drive is coincidentally supported by Bank of Baroda, and Canute was there to take the doctors and patients, the nurses and the data entry fellows to this doorstep and get those people who cannot come to the place for vaccination. When I say Canute, it is not Canute as a person. We met Canute because of News Karnataka. And I'm proud, you have made us proud. Really, of course, earlier banking industry in Mangalore made news because 4 of the banks started from here, have become nationalized banks. Now there's a different story. But now, what I see at News Karnataka is it should be News India. That's where I see they are going in that direction. I must congratulate. It's nothing new that you got this award. It's a responsibility. You have to grow, and you already made us proud, and we want to see you there at the top. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
I would like to call upon Mr. Satish Bolar, the event organizer, to kindly come forward and convey the best wishes.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Let me congratulate Team News Karnataka for achieving the great achieve. Friends, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಮೊದಲು ಕೆನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪಿಂಟೋ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿನಿಂದ ಅಳೆಯಬಹುದಂತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಾದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೀನಿನೆಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿರುವಂಥ ಅನ್ಯೋನ್ಯತೆ, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅದು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಯತೀಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಸ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಉತ್ತಮಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಳಹದಿ ಕೊಂಡೋಗತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪವರ್ ಇದಂತ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವನ್. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಲಿ, ದೇವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಅರಸಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಇದಂತ ಗುರುತಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
A media visionary, Valerian Dalmaira is a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and holds a bachelor degree in commerce from Mysore University, India. He has over 38 years of experience in various fields including accounting, audit, finance, IT service and administration. He is the prime face of News Karnataka, conducting many live shows like Amazing People, Amazing Stories, Namaste Teacher, and many more. We say, people with great passion can make impossible happen. This passionate chartered accountant currently is the managing partner of Quick Accounting and Advisory LLC, Abu Dhabi. It's with great pleasure I would like to request Sir to kindly deliver his presidential remarks. Over to you, Sir.
Chief guest, my friend Mr. Leo Rodriguez, today's woman chief guest. Actually, I asked Madam, sit at the middle because you are the sole woman today, so we will sit at the right and left to you. Gayatri Madam, and Spearhead Media Directors, Brian, Canute, Editor, Pejataya, the speakers, Mr. Holla, Mr. Yatish Baikampadi, Mr. Bolar, the shareholder, one of the shareholders is here, Mr. Rock, and all of you who have come here for our invitation. We are in line with the Rajasthan Patrika and Times of India. And it's a great honor and responsibility to do more. Already Yatish has said that. This particular media house, which was started by 3 youngsters, Prakash, Nelson and Rajesh, of 3 different various fields, but they had a passion. And then when they wanted to continue, of course, funds are the need of the hour. And a message came to me from Canute in Abu Dhabi that there is a passionate youngsters who want to drive this media, but they need the support. And I talked to Mr. Leo and 3 of my friends, Mr. Joel Crasta, Mr. Daryl Menezes, and my colleague in the office, Mr. Kannan Prabhakaran. He's an IT super guy. And he said, Prabha, I call him Prabha, he said, sir, let's go ahead. Because there is no media in the entire Karnataka and the name News Karnataka. Let's go ahead and if we can come together and support. And that's how we came in. I did a study of the media, the growth in the next 5 years in 2012-13, and I was surprised that media was going to grow at the rate of 15 to 18% per annum. And it is true, you have already seen it. Because of the advent of social media, today elections are fought on that. So I was convinced that media is going to grow, especially the social media. And we started it, we supported it, we formed the privately limited company, and the rest is history. Today, we have more responsibility by receiving this award from the PRCI, the very well-known communication commission or Communication Institute of India, where they have presence all over India. And I'm surprised when Mr. Holla said that we have competed with several state media houses, and this award, I should tell, it belongs to you. Because you have achieved it, Mangalore has achieved it. It's rightly said, when Times has achieved and Rajasthan Patrika achieved, there was a buzz. But today, News Karnataka, coming from a tier 2 city, it has achieved and there is no buzz. I would like to applaud yourself, have a big applaud for Mangalore. Because it is Mangalore who has achieved it. And Madam Gayatri, looking at the NRI connection, she wanted to come and speak. Madam, support us. There are so many advertisers here, and you will not be, you will be surprised the flow that you will have, and we will assure you that the flow will come from 60 countries. We are present in 60 countries. We are well known in 137 Kannada organization. You don't have to be serious. You can keep smiling, because this is the achievement for News Karnataka. It is only because it is a people's corporate. It is people's corporate. You are the stakeholders here. The Mangaloreans, Kannadigas are the stakeholders of News Karnataka. It is not we. The stakeholders, when we say stakeholders, not the people who put the money, but the people who are supporting it. Today, I think people are jealous of News Karnataka. You know, when the people are jealous, we will grow. They will not. Mind it. Because of the jealousy, they hacked our YouTube. Because of the jealousy. I don't know who, but because of the jealousy, our YouTube was hacked in April. We tried our best for appealing Google, the cyber cell in Mangalore, but no, we are not successful. But we said, no, it's all right. It's all right. Because when a boomerang is thrown, it comes back to the same person. It doesn't go. It comes back to the same person. So whoever has done that, it will go back to him. The boomerang will go back to him. It will not hurt us. So we said, let's start again. And we started the YouTube channel again. Only regret is that we had covered Vishwatulu Sammelana in 2018. We had covered Akka in 2018. You know Akka in America. So prestigious Kannadigas organization, which had videos which had 30 lakhs views, 36 lakhs views, and which had become popular. We lost them. We can create the YouTube channel, we can create many more programs, but we cannot bring the views that our programs had. But our passionate team, because they are the people who brought this award, working day and night for the company and for the media. There are many people who worked for this award. And I should say the saga of News Karnataka was not easy. Yes, Saga means I put the letters SAGA because someone started it. The S stands for those people, 3 youngsters who started it. And all the other people, the A stands for the people who took active part to realize the mission and vision of the company. The G was the goal, that where we want to reach. We have not reached, we have just started now. It's just 9 years. This award is a start now. And someone said we should reach to the level of all India. We'll try our best. And A is the achievement which is partially done and more to be done in the future. Madam, I sincerely request you, let Bank of Baroda come into the portal of News Karnataka and you will have amazing results. This I will take a few more minutes because I need to inform you that this award has not come so easily. It has come because of News Karnataka's different approach to the media. It's not only reporting the news and making it sensational. We have created sensitivity, as our CEO has said, Brian. We have touched the hearts of the people. Today we are doing the live shows. Of course, we started this in 2017-18, but today our shows are well reached, well viewed across the world, 60 countries and Kannadigas all over the world. Namaste Teacher was a concept where we can bring the Gurudeva Bhava. We want to tell the current students or students of today that you have to respect your teachers, remember them, call back to them, because they are your guide. They are the they are the guiding force behind you. This is the whole concept of Namaste Teacher, to bring the teacher and some of the students and inculcate that relationship, how good they are, to bring back the memories and tell the public, and this is what they are. Today I am surprised. Tomorrow's show is Mrs. Shamala Devi, a teacher from Kumbla, teaching in Rosa Mystica in Bajpe and now settled in Mudubidri. When I called her, she was surprised. She said, "Sir, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ." And I felt so bad. A teacher who has given so much service to the society, not recognized at all by the media. You need to take credit for this. You have to clap for yourself. It's not, I don't want the credit. You take the credit. This is what we are doing. And her students, we are doing the program in Kannada tomorrow. Watch it, the YouTube, We are doing the program in Kannada because the teacher said, "Sir, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಬಡತನದಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ರಾವ್ ಕತಾರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಶರಣ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್, ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ತುಳು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್. ಆದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ." ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ like Mr. Sarvottam Shetty said, for us nothing is untouchable. Any language, because we Mangaloreans know several languages, whether it is Bihari, Konkani, Kannada, Tulu, these are all our languages. ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಇಲ್ಲಡು ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಪಾತಿರ್ದು ಗೇಟ್ದ ಪಿದೈ ಬನ್ನಾಗ ತುಳುವೇ ಪಾತಿರ್ನು ಅತೆ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಭಯಂಕರ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಉಲ್ಲರು ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಡ ಪಾತಿರ್ನ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ We are family. So we respect all languages. This is what our difference is. And that is why this award. Subaltern shows that we have started. You know what is the reason? Today we are highlighting the problems of weavers and their children. In Bannerghatta, there are about 3,000 weavers. And those 3,000 weavers have so many problems. Governments have come and gone in the last 70 years. And their problems remain the same. Today, when they speak to us, they are ordinary people. You know what is happening to them? The government or the textile ministry is not giving them the raw material. Banks are not giving the loan. Madam is here. Banks are not giving the loan. It is for the stock. I told in the program, go to the bank, get a working capital. They need 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees. Today, banks are not giving to them. Sorry, madam. Banks are not giving them. I asked them, we went to SBI, we went there, we went here. The textile ministry is not giving them the raw material. Okay? And look at their apathy. They take the money from the middlemen. Middlemen give them 900 rupees for a sari, the raw material. And after the weaving, they buy the sari for 350. 900 is the loan. They give them 350, and the middleman sells the sari for 2,400 to the shopkeeper. And the shopkeeper makes 600, or he sells for 3,500. Look at it. Why? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರವರಿಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾರವರಿಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು? ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು MBA ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ, CA ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ, IAS ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲಿಸೋದು ಅವರನ್ನು? If they are making 350 rupees for a sari for which they slog for one full day, 350 into 30, ನೀವು ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡಿ 9,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಮನೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸೋದು, ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು? ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನಸಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ we are highlighting. Sir, ಹೊಳ್ಳಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, I am sure you have seen what we have done. This is another show, Subalterns, where we are going to bring, now we have got the weaving community, we will bring the roadside vendors, we will bring the shopkeepers, we will bring the hand cart pullers, we will bring the auto rickshaw people. These people are important and they have dreams. This is what News Karnataka is. You have already said, I want to stress it. We will bring more shows of this. We have, Canute has brought a very good concept. ನಾನು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆನ್ಯೂಟ್, ನಮ್ಮೂರು ನಮ್ಮವರು. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ಲಂಬರು ಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲೇಬರರು ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಇಸ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು give the platform to these people. Nobody gives. Media is not making news of only politics and other things. We are different. And that is why on the 10th year this award has come. I want to tell you one thing. You need to be proud. The people of Mangalore, people of Karnataka, overseas, I am a non-resident Indian, Mr. Leo is a non-resident Indian. We will try to bring, because when we are outside in India, our heart is in Karnataka. ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೃದಯ ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಮಿಡಿಯುವುದು ನಾವು ಪರವೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕತೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ದುಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಭ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೋಡಾದವರು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅವರ ಬಜೆಟನ್ನು ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So what we want is your support. I must tell you, unless we ask, it is written, the scripture says like that, ask you shall receive. So when you go to our news portal, under each news, when you go down bottom, there is a button called subscribe. So I am asking everybody, all of you here and everybody in Mangalore and in Karnataka, you can forward this link of that button. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಜರ್ನಲಿಸಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ₹100 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ our responsibility which you have given today by this award can grow higher and higher. The people have to contribute. There are friends today who are in one of the group here. They are running a group called Waste Management. And I told them, if you want to use the platform of News Karnataka for doing good for Mangalore wards, for the problems or issues or whichever is there, you want to highlight them, come, let's discuss. But it's only for doing good, nothing humbug. Sorry for this word. But we are here to do good. We will always do good. And we will see that we will work with passion. We have a team today sitting, working from home. There are people who could not come here, but they are working with passion. So what I am asking you and the public of Mangalore and Karnataka, support us. Support us by subscribing, contribution, or by your advertisements, whatever support that you can give. You will never feel that you have lost your money. There are many advertisers sitting here. There are many advertisers sitting here, except madam. And there are many are going to come. There are many non-resident Indians who are running the business all across the globe are supporting us through their advertisement. It's only through the support that we can grow. It will be beneficial for all the people. I am talking about Kannadigas. For me, Karnataka is first. Mangalore first, then Karnataka first, and Kannadigas all over the world. I have seen the problems during the pandemic. We have given voice to International Kannadigas Federation. We brought more than 137 Kannada organizations all over the globe for a discussion. Every week we conducted the show. We talked to them. We were demanding the government of Karnataka to appoint vice chairman to the KNRI forum, which was started 13 years back by Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Yediyurappa. It was running properly. But since 4 years, there is no one, there is no vice chairman. There was Arati Krishna there. Before that, Captain Ganesh Karnik was there. And then there is nobody. We voiced, we said we need the vice chairman. There are so many problems in countries NRIs faced. Whether to transport the to send the dead body, or the pregnant women, or the children, the stranded people, the people who lost jobs. And we had to highlight, being NRIs, we can't keep quiet. So we voiced it. It reached to the government. But the problem is, you know what happened. So there are changes and things like that. So this is the thing. So what we are trying to tell you is, we give voice to the people. So many people came to us and we have given the platform to them. Whether it is Sagarottara Kannadigaru, whether it is Vachana Mandapa Vedike or so many shows, we will highlight the concerns of the people. This is why we are different. And one last thing I would like to tell you. We are 47 stakeholders. We are 21 debenture holders. We are about 6 or 7 deposit holders. By the way, madam, we pay 7% interest provided the shareholders give us the loan. Huh? So, this is how we have built the company. Being a professional myself, knowing the finance inside out, I know how the corporates can run. Today, Spearhead Media Limited has all compliances, to tell you honestly. All compliances. There is nothing wrong. All documents are publicly available. Everything is transparent. Nothing. If you give 1 rupee also, it get accounted and we pay GST. This is so because non-residents are compliant people. We are very compliant people because we see the laws outside India where we are. Mask hakadidre 5,000 dirham fine. Inta laws takondu now badikta ideve alli. This is the thing I am telling you. So one last word I want to tell you. I know I have spoken a lot, but then this is the chance to speak to you. I don't want to lose it. The thing is, our shareholders are our stakeholders. Need your support. Whatever way you can pitch in to come into the company, of course we don't make everybody shareholders. We choose even there. Because we don't want our company have to be hijacked with the motto that we have, truth endures. So this is why we have got offers from big guys to take over. We'll give you so much. No. The whole idea is to run with the masthead, truth endures. But surely what we are planning is to bring an IPO with all your support, if it is possible, in 2025. So for that, prepare yourself, you think about it, and then take benefit of it. But at the end, I want to tell you, subscribe to our YouTube. You will have a lot of programs of social concern and forward it to the people so that they can subscribe it, so that we can grow. It is People's Corporate, it is your company. Thank you.
To express the words of gratitude, I call upon the director, Mr. Canute J. Pinto. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Pooja. As you said, gratitude is the best medicine. It heals your mind, your body, and your spirit to be grateful for. When a new startup comes up, the first thing what comes to them mind of that startup owner is that they have to give publicity for that startup in the established media companies. But when a new media company comes up and they want to go to the established players in the market, then it is not the same way. The established players don't want to support the new media company which has come up recently. But fortunately for News Karnataka, it was not like that. Maybe because of that name, maybe because of that, the way our media came up those days, there were a lot of people who came up and supported us in our media venture. So it is right time to thank them, and that's why this meet is called a thank you meet. So to begin with, I want to firstly thank Mr. Leo Rodriguez, who is a guest today. He is the president of Konkani Cultural Organization Abu Dhabi. He is also the managing director of Al Mazura and Clevy Auto Services, and he is also a partial investor in Spearhead Media Group. And fortunately, I was part of all these three organizations. So on behalf of all who are present here, on behalf of Spearhead Media Group, I take this opportunity to thank you, sir, for making your time for this event and supporting us throughout our venture. Thank you and keep supporting. I request our advisor Valerian Dalmeda, sir, to give a memento to Mr. Leo Rodriguez. Today is one more guest, Madam Gayatri R, GM and Zonal Head, Bank of Baroda, Mangalore Zone. I got introduced to her through my old friend, the branch head of Vamanjur Bank of Baroda, Niral Was. He is an enterprising guy, but when I met Madam in her office yesterday, the first word came out of my mouth was, Madam, you are very enterprising, because within that fraction of 5 minutes, she sorted out so many things in front of me. So we are fortunate to have you in this program, ma'am. Keep supporting. Let us grow together, as sir has told, and continue be our supporter. I request Valerian sir to hand over a memento to Madam. As I told you, when we began as a startup in a media space, there were a lot of people who came. We were fortunate that a lot of people came ahead and supported us in our past 10 years journey. So we want to recognize them with the memento. I request CA Valerian Dalmeda to do the honors, and I request the MD of Electrical Point, Mr. Vinod Sikwera, kindly come forward and receive a memento from us. You were there from the beginning, day one, supporting us. So thank you, sir, and keep supporting. Also, I request the representatives from St. Aloysius College, Ms. Shilpa.
I have to tell you, he is my co-brother.
Ms. Shilpa and Madam Chandrakala to come to the dais and receive a memento from us. Also, we have the HR manager of KIOCL, Mr. Murgesh, and his team. I request kindly come to the dais and receive a memento from us. St. Aloysius PU College is our greatest supporter. Madam Shanti is here. Kindly come to the dais and receive a memento. Mr. Vasant Kedige, a one-time man behind the PR of Sahyadri College, and now he runs his own Kedige India. Kindly come to the dais. Bharat BD Group is one of our greatest supporters. Yesterday I met Subraya Paisar. He has promised to send Dennis, and Dennis is here. Dennis, kindly come and receive a memento. Dr. Raghavendra Holla, the chairman of Swastika National School and the chairman of PRCI Mangalore chapter. Thank you, sir. The tourism man of Dakshina Kannada, my very good friend Yatish Baikambadi. Yatish Anna, please. The MD of Vishwas Caterers and the future district governor of Rotary District 3181, Satish Bolar, sir, please. There's a new startup coming up, and as you support News Karnataka, you need to support this startup also. My India of Siraj and Nitin are here. Please come up. The man who looks after our accounts, CA Bhargav Tantri. Sir, please come on to the dais.
Bhargav is my once upon a time as a partner. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And I call upon Brian Fernandez to kindly come and do the honors for our guest today. We have a team from Mangalore Civic Group, Nigel Albuquerque and his team. I request them to kindly take a rose from us. Also, my friend Niral, kindly come and take a rose from us. finally, we want to honor today's Master of Ceremony, Madam Pooja Rao. I request Brian sir to do the honors. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮವರನ್ನು ಏನು ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯವರನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಬಡಿ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ if I don't do this today, then when? My team for the past 10 years, they have done wonders in this field, and that's why this recognition has come. So I think it is right time to recognize the team which is behind Spearhead Media. So I request Madam to do this honors. For the technical team, the head of technical team, Narayan, kindly come and receive a memento. For the whole desk team, Srinivas Pajataya, the day you have come, things have changed. We know, we have seen the difference. So please, on behalf of the news desk, kindly receive this memento. Our finance team, Kishore, kindly receive a memento. And finally, I kept him to the end, our mentor and our support behind this whole whatever we do from the day until today. Valerian Dalmeda sir, a small memento on behalf of our team to you. One more key person from our team, Brijesh, kindly come and receive a memento. And my own friend, ever continuous supporter, Stanley Bantwal. Somebody will take your photo. You kindly come and collect a memento. Thank you. Thank you. We have one of our shareholders, the only who is there in this program, Rock sir. Kindly come and receive a memento. Thank you. This is a thank you meet, so I took little more time. Sorry for that, and thank you everyone for being here. Over to Pooja.
Thank you, sir. To conclude with, I once again thank each one of you for joining with us today. We earnestly and wholeheartedly wish that Spearhead Media Group may one fine day grow to an extent of sheltering and nurturing thousands of budding talents for brighter India. May God continue to shower His blessings on people connected with this one dynamic team as we embark on a new milestone. Having said that, this is Pooja Rao signing off. Thank you once again.